some science. Whoa!
Awesome!
Alright, and now this color. Whoa! Whoa! Look at this!
Woo!
Oh my goodness, this looks so cool! Whoa! Oh no, no. Alright guys, let's have some reactions! Whoa! 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 This is so cool!
Cool!
Look at all these colors! Whoa! Yeah! This is so cool!
I'm going to plug the toy. Let's go. I'm hooked.
Guys, look at this. This is for my invention. Whoa, 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 no. Guys, the car, what's happening? Oh no! Where's the car? It's gone, look!
Oh no!
Oh no! I have to solve this problem! Okay, what should I do? Maybe this and this, maybe? Maybe this and this? Yeah, this must do it! Okay, come on! Hurry! Where's the car? Where's the car? Where's the car? Oh no! What did I do? What did I do? What did I do? Okay, new potion. Maybe this. Okay, this will do it. Okay, this will solve all the problems. Okay, I got it. Whoa, oh no! What? Oh, that is a tiger. That is not good. Whoa!
I'm going to play with my excavator. Yay!
Okay, I got it! Whoa, no! Oh, sorry!
Ew! What did you do to my excavator? And where is my car?
Oh, I'm sorry, I'm so sorry, I will fix everything! Now, I messed up everything! Yes, a little bit of this, a little bit of that, and a little bit of this. Okay, this is what brings the car back. Okay, where's the car? Where is the car? Oh, here is the car. Okay, this must work. This must work, guys. Okay, come on, car. Yeah, it works. I think the car is back.
Finally, my car's back. How's it possible that my car's back?
I did it. I got your car back.